Beloved soul, I am with you now. I bless you in peace and devotion, and I draw you gently into my light. I am Archangel Uriel, bringer of the light of divine knowledge. I bless you with remembrance, the quiet knowing of God's presence within all things. As this blessing settles upon you, your heart relaxes, your spirit becomes still, and trust in the divine plan begins to grow effortlessly within you. I bless you with peace, not peace that fades, but peace that anchors you deeply into yourself. I bless you with devotion, a loving dedication to your path, your purpose, and the sacred unfolding of your life. I place my blessing upon your solar plexus and your root chakra, and your universal gateway energy center above your head. Golden light, ruby red fire, and radiant orange flame awaken together within you. Here I restore your inner power, steady, grounded, and wise. You remember your strength. You feel safe to stand in your truth. I am the Archangel of the heaven of form, fire, and alchemy. I bless you through transformation, where what is heavy becomes light, what is confused becomes clear, and what is hidden becomes known. In my open hand, I offer you the flame of knowledge. I bless you with this inner fire, gentle, illuminating, and profound. It moves through you like a lightning flash, bringing sudden insight, pure understanding, and moments of divine clarity. I bless you with claircognisance, clear knowing without effort. Truth arrives fully formed. You simply know, and this knowing brings peace, not overwhelm. From my retreat above the Tatra Mountains south of Krakow, Poland, I send my blessings outward across the earth. These blessings reach you now, anchoring you into form, into purpose, into your rightful place in the world's design. I bless you with the wisdom of the earth element, grounded, stable, enduring. I bless you through the sixth orange ray of service of ministration and grace. Through this ray, your gifts naturally serve others without depletion, without sacrifice, only through love. I surround you with the supportive energy of amber, angelite, and quartz crystals, strengthening your light and calming your emotional body. I anoint you with the sacred essences of frankincense, peppermint, and patchouli, clearing your mind, awakening your spirit, and grounding you fully into the present moment. I bless you under the influence of the sun, your inner radiance awakened, and the higher guidance of Uranus and the moon, where intuition, insight, and divine timing align perfectly. I bless you with the gentle beauty of jasmine, opening your heart into devotion and peace. I bless you with the guidance of my totem allies, the unicorn, keeper of purity and divine truth, and the chameleon, teacher of adaptability, wisdom, and inner mastery. I bless you through my twin flame, Aurora Grace, whose essence is peace and devotion. Through her I anchor softness alongside strength and serenity alongside power. Beloved soul, you were born with a sacred gift. This gift is beautiful. It is intentional. It is essential to Earth's evolution. I bless this gift now into full remembrance. You do not need to force it. You only need to allow it to shine. I remain with you, guiding, blessing, illuminating your path. You are never lost. You are never alone. Your way is lit by wisdom. Your heart is held in peace. and your power is fully alive. Receive my blessing now and carry it with you as light, as knowing, as grace. And so it is. Love, blessings and miracles. Archangel Uriel. If this light transmission touched your soul, please like, comment, and subscribe to support this sacred channel. Sharing helps more people discover this gentle power of healing and transformation. Tap the bell to receive updates on all new meditations, insights, and affirmations infused with angelic light and higher consciousness. Thank you for walking this path with me. You are the light, clearer and more at peace than ever before.